What up, everybody? Welcome to Kingdom Man channel. This your boy Kenny. What's your name? Tell the camera your name again. Tell the camera your name, Kenny. What's your name?
Alvis.
Okay, so this is Lil Kenny, as you all know. So today we're gonna do a science experiment, y'all. If we can get Kenny to calm down, we're gonna do a science experiment, y'all. So we're gonna do some yellow and some blue slime. So Kenny, you wanna do some slime?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, give me 5. Yeah. All right. I almost knocked you off. Sorry. All right. So, all right. The ingredients that we need is. I'll pick them up. Okay. The ingredients that we need is we're gonna need this to stir your slime, stir everything up. We're gonna need some saline solution that I actually went to CVS and got this. Of course, a cup. Use this if you don't want to mess up your normal dishes. So I just went and bought that. A cup of glue. Some baking soda. Food coloring. And these table and teaspoon measurements. So we're just gonna kind of eye everything out for right now. Here, stand right here. Okay, so we're gonna kind of eye everything out right now because you're only making one. So take your glue. Here, Kenny. You wanna pour the glue in?
Yeah.
Here, put this right here.
Okay.
Here, pour the glue in here. Put that down so you can pour the glue. Here, don't squeeze it, but just pour it in. Okay?
What is that?
So this basically teaches kids about how molecules change its form. So basically this is of course a liquid and we're gonna change it into a solid. Yeah, he's stirring it, yeah, okay. Go ahead and stir that. And then I'll use this because this is chemical. So, you know, you don't want the kids to touch the chemicals, but I'll go ahead and use this. If I can open it. No, I got it. Let me see that. Because you don't want to get your hand dirty. I'll put that in there for right now. Don't eat it now. I know exactly what you're about to do.
Well, what is that?
I'm going to put this baking soda in.
Okay.
Well, I put a little bit too much, but, you know, whatever. It'll do.
Whoa.
Yeah. Now go ahead and stir that around, Kenny. Go ahead and stir it in. Now, we iron everything out. I don't have the exact measurements, but you can go online and find the exact measurements, but I'm just doing this, just kind of iron it out. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some of that up in there.
Whoa.
Then here, come on. Let's stir it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now what color you want to use first? You want to use blue or yellow?
Yeah. I use this.
You want to use blue? Okay. Now look. Now this, here. Okay, alright. Alright, now come on. Be sure if you're dealing with 2-year-olds, be sure you got this on the table because of course this got on the table but it's on the plastic part. So come on, let's stir it in now. Come on. Come on. Come on, stir it in. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it, man.
I tried.
Keep stirring it. We didn't use these, so yeah, sorry y'all.
Oh.
But you might need that if you want to do like exact measurements. So I'm just ironing it out.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Shut up.
And put a little bit more of this in there. This basically helps it to get like not sticky because it's the saline inside of that drop. You know what? Let's do this. Let's stir it up. So let me see right quick.
What happened?
Here you go. Here. You're having a 2-year-old meltdown. So sorry, y'all. You know how it goes. Come on, keep stirring it, man. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. All right, you want to put some yellow in now?
Yellow.
I'll do it because I don't want you to square it. There go one dot. Oh, well. Mix that in. Go ahead and mix that in. What color is that in there? What color is this?
Yellow.
No, what color is this?
Blue.
Good. Good job. High five. High five. Give me a high five. And what color is this? No, you said it right. What color is this? What color is this? What color is this? Huh? Yellow? This yellow? Low attention span. He got it right the first time. He said yellow. Let's mix that in. Let's mix that in. Let's mix that in. Let's mix it in. Mix it in. Oh, this is about to get real messy. Now, what color do yellow and blue make?
I like this.
What color is this that it made? What color is that? What color is that?
I'm happy.
It's green.
What happened?
Green.
What happened? What happened?
Yeah. All right.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Amy.
All right. Okay, let's put this to the side. Now we're gonna have to use our hands.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, wait.
No, don't put it in your mouth or anything. Let's go. Come on. Here, I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give you one, and you do like this in a circle. See, here you go. Go ahead and do this. Let's go. Come on. Roll in the circle. Roll in the circle. Like this.
Over.
Yeah, see? Slime. Thumbnail. Look at the camera, Kenny. Look at the camera.
Shy.
Hmm?
What happened? Whoa, shy. Help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. We gotta wash your hands after this.
Hand.
Yeah.
My hand.
Let me see that. Yeah, get your hands dirty and yeah. So what we do, we took blue and yellow, we put it together and made green. Okay?
Shy.
No, we done with this. You already got it. It's already colored in here. It's already covered. Alright, so everyone, so this is our slime. Of course, don't let your kids do this by yourself. Always have parental supervision when you're doing this, because we are dealing with chemicals. But yeah, just remember to always have them wash their hands after this, because this gets real messy. Even though this don't really stick, it's only the food coloring that stuck to my hand. Whoa, cool, huh?
Whoa. Whoa, what is that?
That's slime, huh? Slime?
Shy.
Okay, squeeze it between your hands like this. Like this.
Happy. Happy. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, cool.
Here, I'll make a ball.
We have a
Look
ball.
at that. That's a ball.
Oh.
You'll make yours. Remember, but have kids wash their hands before they put their hand in their mouth or they eat, because it is chemicals. Even though it might not hurt, but we always want to be safe than sorry.
Ball.
There you go.
Give me a ball.
This right there. I think it can. Yeah, it can bounce a little bit too. See?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Bubba. Give me a ball. Come on. Whoa! What happened, Bubba?
All right, y'all. So short and sweet experiment that you can do at home. Do it yourself for slime for kids, for 2-year-olds. We're gonna do this a lot. Do experiments. We're gonna kind of be more into teaching kids and teaching people about what is the meaning behind these experiments and what do they teach. This is basically dealing with the different formations of what that molecules can make when applying certain pressure to them. So everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel. Y'all have a great night, and we'll holler at y'all later. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, yeah.